Hey makeup friends, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing this look right here. So this peacock inspired look. It turned out really pretty. I used the XO Cosmetics Villains 2 palette, which looks like this. And I apologize, my son is in the background playing with his toys. So this is the palette. And then these are the colors. This palette is definitely perfect if you're going to do a peacock inspired look. It's got a lot of really pretty greens and blues. It's also got some purples, yellow. It's got some really pretty shimmers in it as well. I really love this palette. It's so pretty. And I think this palette is on sale on the XO website right now for $15.99. It's on sale right now for $15.99 on the XO website. I will leave the link to XO Cosmetics in the description below, so that way you can go check out the website, because they do have a lot of really amazing, awesome sales going on right now. So go check out the website. And for lips, I used the XO Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Nude. And I'm going to show you the look real quick. Let me just pull it up on my computer here. The look that I was inspired by for this video. Alright, so don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I'm just going to brighten up the screen so that way you can kind of see. So this is the look right here. I will leave a picture in the screen somewhere right up here. So this is the look, and this is from Chassis Dimitra. Hopefully I'm saying her name right. I will leave her username in the description below as well. She's on Instagram. I really loved it, so I wanted to recreate it. I was feeling peacock vibes, so I really wanted to try to do like a peacock inspired look for this video. And I think that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Hello guys. So I'm going to be taking my XO eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to be applying that all over the lid. And I'm taking this pretty green shade from the palette, and I'm going to be using my Spectrum BO7 brush, and I'm applying this into the crease. And now I'm blending this out, blending out the edges. And then I'm taking the purple Lisa Frank brush from Morphe, and I'm taking this really pretty blue shade, and I'm applying this all over the lid. And I am trying my hardest to get it to look pigmented. I should have used like NYX Milk before I applied that blue. And then I'm taking this yellow shade, and I'm taking my Lisa Frank purple brush, and I'm applying that to the edges of the green. And then I'm taking that really pretty green blue color, and I'm taking my Sigma E30 brush, which is a pencil brush. And I am just applying this in between the green and the blue colors. And I'm taking my XO primer again, and I'm putting that on the bottom of my eye, the bottom lid. And then I'm taking that really pretty green blue, dark green blue color from the palette, and I'm using the same brush, the Sigma E30, and I'm just applying this to the bottom of my lash line in the inner corner and outer corner. And now I'm taking that shimmery, really pretty shimmery green color, and I'm applying that to the center of my lower lash line and to the inner corner of my eye. And I'm taking my Handaiyan Water activated liners. I'm going to be taking the white, the yellow, the green, and the blue, and I'm going to be creating the peacock feather, as you can see right now on the outer part of my eye. And I'm taking my time with this. I am not rushing. I'm taking the Milani Stay Put brow color in the shade dark brown, and I'm using that to add a little bit of brown to the feather. And I'm taking my micellar cleansing water and a Q-tip, and I am just applying that to the center of the yellow to create a space for the white. So I'm applying the white, and then I'm applying a blue dot right in the middle of the white, and then I'm taking this green shade again, and I'm using that as an eyeliner, and I'm using my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner in jet black, and I am applying that to my lash line, and then I'm taking my e.l.f. Lash It Loud Volumizing Mascara, which I will be applying off camera. And these are the Aqua lashes, and I'm going to be doing a tutorial in a little bit showing you how to apply them. And that's it. Okay, so let me show you a quick tutorial on how to use these Aqua lashes. So you want to apply the water onto the lash band. So the lash band already has adhesive on it. All you have to do is just apply water to it. So I'm just going to use my finger, and my finger's wet, so I'm going to go ahead and just apply it to the lash band here. I just want to make sure I get enough water on the lash band. I may need to dip back in a little bit so that we can get the inner corner and outer corner to make sure that they stick. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start kind of doing a tapping motion until I feel tackiness. Alright, so now I'm starting to feel tackiness, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and just apply it straight to my eye. And then you may have to use your fingers to kind of pinch the lashes to your real lashes together, but they should stick, and that's how you apply them. So for lips today, I'm going to be using the X&O Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Nude. Taking my Milani Stay Put brow color in the shade Dark Brown, and I'm just going to fill in this other brow. I've already did this one. I just got to do that one. Alright guys, so this is it for my final Peacock inspired look. I hope you guys liked the look, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial as well. Please let me know if you have any look requests. You can leave them down below and I'll get back to you. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Take care, and I will see you next time.